Hey everyone, I hope all of you are well. So, today we will talk about a very simple topic, that is multiplication of fraction. But keep it in your mind that this is not there in your syllabus. Just for your knowledge enrichment, I am giving this video to all of you. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, dear children, already we have learned how to add or how to subtract fractions, okay, or how to do simplifications, but except multiplications and divisions. So today we are going to learn fractional multiplications. Okay, suppose I am taking two fractions in this way. Okay, the first one is 2 by 3, second one is 5 by 7. See, we know how to reduce a fraction, we know this very well. So you have to understand first that in how many ways these two fractions can be simplified or can be reduced. Okay, see, it can be reduced diagonally, or the numerator and the denominator can also be reduced by any number. Okay, so let's do this sum. Here, as you can see, if we check 2 and 7, their HCF is 1. So these two are already in their simplified form, they cannot be reduced again. If we check this diagonal, means 5 and 3, they are also in their simplified form or in their reduced form. So these two also cannot be simplified or reduced again. Now we will check these two numerators and denominators, 2 and 3, which is already a simplest form of the fraction, because the HCF of 2 and 3 is 1, and the same is for 5 by 7. This is already given in a simplified form. Now what is the next step? Simply we will multiply 2 and 5, we will draw the vinculum, and then we will multiply 3 and 7, it is coming 21. So in the answer it is coming 10 by 21. So this is the product of these two fractions, means 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. We have not reduced anything over here. Okay, so let's take another example. Suppose let's take the example of this one. Now as I have said that first we will check diagonally. Here 8 and 4, these two numbers are given. If we reduce both of them by 4, we will get here 2 and we will get here 1. Okay, now again we will check the another diagonal, means 2 and 12. Now what will you do? We will simply reduce 2 and 12, both of them by 2 first. So we will reduce 2 by 2 and we will get 1, and 12 by 2 we will get 6. Now here in the numerator we are getting 1. Here for the second fraction, after reducing we are getting 2. So in the answer we will write 1 multiplied by 2. Then this is the numerator. For the denominator we will check what are the reduced numbers. After reducing we are getting 1 here for the first fraction, and for the second fraction we are getting 6 here. So here we will get 1 into 6. Now as I said, we will try to reduce the fraction as much as we can. Now here in the numerator and denominator both the places are occupied by 1. So we will check this one also, 2 and 6. See, 2 and 6 can also be reduced by 2. So after reducing the numerator 2 by 2 we are getting 1, 6 by 2 we are getting 3. So here we will write 1 into 1 for both of these fractions numerators we are getting 1, and here 1 and here 3. So 1 multiplied by 3. So in the answer it is coming 1 by 3. So as I said, you have to keep it in your mind. We will try to reduce the fractions as much as we can, and first step we will check them diagonally, that whether they can be reduced or not, both the diagonals. Then we will try to check the numerator and denominator. Okay, then we will try to convert those fractions to their simplest form. Okay, so here you can see 1 by 3 is the answer, the product of 2 by 4 and 8 by 12. Let's take another example. Now suppose take the example this one. Now what will you do? See, as I said, first we will check the diagonal numbers. Here it is 21 given, here it is 42 given. Both of them can be reduced by 3. Okay, so let's reduce them by 3. Okay, now it is coming 7 and 14. Now again it can be reduced by 7 itself. So we are getting here 1 and here 2. Now what will you do? We will check this diagonal, 7 and 98. 7 and 98 can be reduced by 7. Okay, if we reduce 7 by 7, it will be 1. If you reduce 98 by 7, we will get 14. Okay, now see, we will check this numerator and this denominator. Okay, here it is 1, here it is also 1, so they cannot be reduced again. Now we will check these two numbers, this numerator and this denominator. Here it is given 2 and here it is coming 14. So 2 and 14 can also be reduced by 2 itself. So after reducing, first one is coming, means the numerator is coming 1 and the denominator is coming 7. Now simply we will multiply these two numerators. It is coming 1 into 1, for this one 1 into 7. So at last the answer is coming 1 by 7. So the product of 7 by 21 and 14 by 98 is coming 1 by 7. I hope all of you have understood. Now in my next video we will show you how to multiply more than 2 fractions. Okay, till then stay safe, bye.